Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you how to make this absolutely gorgeous winter wedding pew bow. So let's get started. First thing I've done is cut my Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half, and just lay it down into the Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Put my wire aside, then I'm going to take this piece of tulle and I'm going to just lay this down, fold it in half and lay this down as my tails for my pew bow. Then I have these two other gorgeous ribbons. I'm just going to lay them right on top of each other, fold them in half, and go to the middle and just lay that down for our tails. And then now what I'm going to do is take them, just fold them in half. I'm not going to dovetail the tulle, but I am going to dovetail these ribbons. So there we go, we'll dovetail that side. And we'll fold this in half and dovetail this side. So now we have the really pretty dovetailed ends. Then what I'm going to do is take the exact same two ribbons. Oh, first I'm going to take my tulle and I'm just going to take it from the roll and I'm just going to make a couple of loops. So I'm just going to roll it. I find sometimes it's easier to work with tulle while it's still on the roll because then it doesn't catch on to everything. So we're just going to fold this back and probably make 4 loops here. Just because the tulle's so thin, I want to make sure we can see it. So we're going to fold it back over and push that down. And then I'm going to make one final loop, fold it back, and bring that down here. And then I'm just going to cut my piece here. So hard, I can hardly see the tulle. And of course I don't have my good scissors here. So now we're just gonna scrunch that down in there. Then I'm gonna take I've got about 3 yards here of my 2.5 inch ribbon. And I'm just going to take the two together, which is something I love to be able to do with Bowdabra. Just push it in and twist. And then we'll fluff it all out when we're done with the bow. So I'm just gonna put that in there and twist it. And fold it, and the reason that I'm twisting it is because that way the wrong sides of the ribbon are on the inside of my loop. I'm going to fold this back over here, and you can just see how elegant and pretty, and they have like little snowflakes on this ribbon. I just love it, and I feel like it would make any bride so proud of her pew bows. And just scrunch that down there, fold it back over. And I'm going to make one more loop. Whoopsie daisy. Let's get that there. Make one more loop here. And then I'm going to just clip my ends here and take my beautiful little flowers. We're just going to lay one going this way, one going that way. You can buy those at any craft store. And now I'll take my Bowdabra wand, just scrunch everything in, and take my Bowdabra bow wire. The reason I fold it in half is now I have a slip knot. So I'm just going to hold my bow down and pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. That way when I pull it out, I'm not struggling with it. I'm just going to separate my ends and bring them around to the back and probably just put that ribbon right into the camera's face. And I'm going to make sure I'm on the back of my bow and tie a knot. And then I'm going to try to tie a knot. I'm going to double knot it. And that way I have this to hang on to the pew bow holder. Then what I'll do is just take my loops and kind of pull them apart. Just pull them apart here, again here. And then I'll take every other, so now we have the 2 different ribbons here. I just find it's nice to do them all together and pull these apart here. And pull this apart here, and I'm just going to kind of shape my loops and keep going. And then I'm going to just bring my tails down and continue to shape. That's what I love about the wired ribbon, because you really can shape them and you can make them before the wedding and throw them all in a big garbage bag and bring them to the church or the temple or wherever you get married and just put them on the pews and they'll stay in really good shape because it is wired. So isn't this an absolutely beautiful pew bow? I hope you enjoyed this. Please like our channel and subscribe, and also follow us on Facebook. Thanks for watching.